Hello there guys, and welcome to your Linux tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to have a checkpoint. So let me just write it down. So we are going to have a checkpoint. Oh, looks like I am using the wrong brush. Let me just change it. I use calligraphy. So let me rewrite this. Where am I? Okay, so we are going to have our checkpoint. Okay, so our checkpoint. And basically, we are going to talk about what we are going to talk about. Okay, so carrying on, we will talk about history. Okay, so the first discussion we will have is about history, that is command history. So far, we have been using only the up and down arrows, but there are more efficient ways to use to browse your command history. And we will also talk about variables. Okay, now variables are actually really important, not only because they're used in in the shell and as it relates to the environment variables, and you're going to learn about those very soon. However, they variables are also used in computer programs. Okay, so this is very important for you. If maybe you are not a programmer yet, but kind of hope to become one, this will give you context on what variables are used. Okay, so that's why I underlined it. I think it's a very important concept because, again, it is used not only in the shell and in your dealings with the Linux operating system, it is also used for programming. Okay, so definitely pay attention to that part. History part is also interesting. It's going to give you some interesting techniques you can use to search your history. But again, this is pretty much it. Make sure to pay attention, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Talk soon.